Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. Okay, have you remembered what we taught next class? Sorry, last class? Yes. What about small family? Same thing. You may say, ma'am, what ma'am, daily we tell about small family, large family, joint family. No, this concept you should know. So I am repeating every day with these three concepts only. Yes, family is the big concept, not small. You think, what, father, mother, brother, me? No, you should know more about family. Not only in your home is the 4 members are there, means it is small, but varieties of family. What is the relationship between you and other? That is must. Relationship between you and your mother, or you and your father, or you and your cousin. That all the things I am going to tell you today. Okay, what is our lesson name? Have you remembered? Same again, small family, large family, big family. Yes. Let me write down. What is the? Yes. Subject name. Yes. Small family. Small family. Large family, large family, yes, and joint family, yes, joint family. This name only is telling no, joint means two or more family connects, yes, okay. We can take today main as joint family, because in the joint family we can see all the members, means grandmother, cousin, uncle, aunt. In the small family we can say, is there a grandmother, cousins? No. So we focus today our lesson only about joint family. Yes, joint family. Yeah. Once again, tell me definition. What is joint family? Yes, you should say fast. Grandparents, parents, cousin, aunt, uncle, children. Yes, grand family means big concept. Not only children, not only parent, not only grandparent, all are together. Here we cannot make separate. All are living under the same house. That is the matter. Their grandparents living in a small house. Here parents living in here one more house. Then aunt uncle living near to them only apartment, means that is joint family. No, that is nuclear or small family. But we are going to tell about joint family. Yes. Who are coming? Who is the head? Who is the head of family in joint family? You. No. Who is head of family? Grandfather. Yes. First we are going to tell about grandfather. Yes. All are living with your grandfather or grandmother? No. Where they are? They are in village. You are in city. Okay. Yearly once you are going to meet? No. Yeah, you are going now in vacation time. You are going with the and you are living with your grandparents. That is good. You have bonding. At least in 1 month or 2 months you are with your grandparents means they are having more bonding with you. They want to see you every time. Grandparents like that only. They want to see grandkids. They want to spend their time with the grandkids. They are waiting when you are coming to their house. Yes. Okay. Here one grandparents image is there. Who? Grandparent. First is grandpa. Can you see this image, children? Who is he? Brother. No. Who is he? Grandfather. Okay. First we are going to see here grandfather. Can you see this image? No, I think it is small image, no? Okay, once I show you. No? Grandfather. Yeah. How grandfather relationship will come? For uncle also you can say grandfather. No. How? Your father's father or your mother's father. Yes. How grandfather relationship will come? Father's father. Father's father or else mother's father. Mother's father. Then only two relationships. Sometimes your grandfather, brother also grandfather only for you. Yes, no? Grandfather, brother, his younger brother or elder brother, but he is for you grandfather. You don't make confused. Mainly you focus for this point, father's father or mother's father. Next you come to this point, father, grandfather, brother also. Grandfather. We should call them grandpa. Yes. Then what is the bonding you between grandfather? No bonding. Is there no something bonding? You likes to live with them, means the grandparents. You don't like. Why? Yeah, you likes. Yes. Next, who is coming grandfather under? Yes, we can go for grandma or grandmother. See here. Your grandmother is here, no? Can you see? No. She is looking like your sister. No, no. Yeah, she is grandmother. Yes. I am going to stick your grandmother near to your grandfather. Okay? Yes. Here is your. Can you see, children? Okay. Grandmother. Okay. How grandmother relationship? Your mother's mother. Good. How it is grandfather grandma relationship will come? Your mother's mother or else? Yes, father's mother. This is simple concept. You know already. But also I am stressing this same points. Yes. Yes. Grandmother. How is relationship? Mother's mother. Good. What is the relationship? Mother's mother or else father's father's mother. Yeah, here also you have to write father. Father's mother. Grandmother. Here grandfather. Okay, then one more. Grandmother, sister is name means what you will call? You are calling cousin. No, you should call her something. Yes, grandma only you should call. For your grandmother's younger sister or elder sister, you should call grandmother. Two concepts you understood, my children. You don't make confusion. What I have to call? They are not my grandmother. No, you don't think. Yes. Grandmother, sister also, you are grandma only. Yes. Now, these two you understood, my children? Have any doubt about grandfather and grandmother? No? Okay. Shall we move for next part, children? Where I have to learn? Can I rub this? The statement can I rub? Yes. In the picture, I am keeping. Later, once again, I have to tell you also. Next here, can you say who is he? Here I am not going to tell about your father and mother. I already told many times. So the other relationship, how in joint family other members are there. No, their relationship between you. So that thing I am going to tell you. Then don't say it is father. Just you think and say who is he? Yes. Yes, definitely. Who is he? He is your uncle. Good. Who is he? He is your uncle. How uncle relationship will come? Let me check. Who is he? Uncle. How uncle? Your mother's brother or your father's, or not this is grandpa, yeah, your father's father, or else your auntie's husband also uncle. Yes, who? Your father, brother, father's brother or mother's brother, otherwise your auntie's husband. Good. Who? Your aunt husband. Aunt husband also you should say uncle only. You call him uncle. Sometimes you know unknown person also you are calling uncle only. No, he cannot say father mother. Uncle can say for anybody, but father mother only, our father mother only we are calling. Sometimes for grandparents also someone calling mother only. The grandmother is equal to mother. She is taking care more than your mother. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. See uncle, but in Kannada we can say for all one word only, mama, mami, chikkappa, chikkama. Yes, different name. But in the English you are calling only uncle. Yes. Next. Okay. Do you have uncle? He is not in home. Okay, he is in other room. Okay. Just write down your uncle's name. Do you know spellings? Don't know? You just ask your parents, okay? Your uncle name, aunt name, father name, mother name, grandmother name, grandpa name, all the name you should learn how to write in English, in Kannada. Then your name you know, no? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you should learn the spellings, children. Uncles. See, then cousin's name also you should know. Yeah, you know to call all the names, that I know. But you should learn how to write their name. Yes. Have you cleared about these three concepts? Grandpa, grandma, uncle. Yes. Next, uncle came. Where is aunt? Yes, no? Yeah, you should search aunt now. Okay. See here. Can you see this image, children? Who is she? Who is she? Is looking like your sister. No, she is a aunt. Yes, she is too younger. young aunt, no? Who is she? She is a aunt. Okay, how aunt relationship will come? How can you identify she is my aunt, she is my uncle, she is my grandpa? Yeah. Aunt means your father. Sorry, I am always coming to this picture only. He is your grandfather. Okay. Aunt means mother's sister or father's sister or uncle's wife. Three things is there here also. Mother's sister, father's sister. One more is, yes, uncle's wife. Yes. Have you clear about auntie's image? Auntie means who? Yeah, your mother's sister. No, mother's sister not she is. Then younger sister, elder sister means you have one more name to call. No, both. If she is a younger, if she is a elder, it's not a matter. She is your mother sister means she is aunt. In the same way, father's sister. In Kannada we have different names, no? What we are telling? Doddamma, Chikkamma, Atte. These all name English simple, no? Only one name, that is aunt. Sometimes if you don't know, unknown person will come to your house, what you will call? Auntie only, no? Yes. Auntie we are using in many times. Auntie and uncle, aunt. Yes. Okay, now grandfather over, grandma over, aunt over, uncle over. Now somebody is missing, no? Cousins. Yes. Can I call all are together here dancing? Can I call them? Okay. Can you see this picture, children? Can see here. All cousins are playing, holding hands and playing something. Can you see this image? Is there your photo? Can you guess which is your photo? I draw your photo also. Just you guess where is your photo. Not there? Is there? Good. Okay, these are our cousins. Realistic cousins. Can I have these statements, children? Okay. Okay. Now we will move to cousins. Yeah. Many cousins are there here. In this picture only 4 are there. You may have more than 4 or less than 4 also. These are cousins. Okay, here 4 are dancing. Maybe now to school now they all are together now. All came back who are in outside cities. Yeah, all came to home and they are enjoying playing. Yes. How this relationship will come? How can you say they are my cousin? Yes. See, uncle or aunt. Can say or. No. Uncle, aunt, children. We can say that cousins. In Kannada, only uncle, aunt we are calling. No. Doddamma, Doddappa. Yeah, they are all children. Together we are calling as a cousins. Here you are not there. These all are your cousins. Good. See, they are children. These two is the main character. They are children. I said to you, cousins. Yes. Today I explained these 5 characters. Have any doubt, children? No doubt. See, today I am going to tell one more things. Notes we are sending in WhatsApp. How we before you was getting no worksheet. Like that we are sending notes through WhatsApp. But you should write that notes. What you are having, which notes. Just I am showing you which notes you have to write. You don't make confusion, children. Like these notes you already purchased, no? From school side. Yes. This is 4-line book for EVS. Which line book it is? I am going to show you. It is 4-line. Can you see, children? How many lines is here? 4. Yes. Just write here your name, class, section you don't know. Okay, no need to write now. And roll number also you don't know. It may change. Yeah. Then subject is environmental studies. EVS. Okay. You open. Here don't write anything, children. Leave this page. From this page, here upon the margin, here upon the margin, side of the margin, both side you don't write anything. Lesson name you should write in the first line. Which is your first lesson? Me and my family. Okay, what I am doing now, that is your second lesson. Okay, first lesson only Rekha. Yes, here me and my family. You write heading. I am sending, children, what are the things you have to write? I am sending through WhatsApp, don't worry. But how to write, where to write, you will get confusion. No? So I am telling now. And here is the heading, children. Heading. Then down, I am giving difficult words. In this lesson, what are the difficult words is there? No? I am going to give you. Same you have to copy here. But you should not write two words in one line. Here first one, you write here A, first heading difficult words, A, B, C, D. Okay. Next leave one line. If you are going to write next main, you middle leave one line. That is good, looking good. Yes, here leave one line and second main is, what I am giving, EVS, no. First I am giving difficult words. Directly I am going to question answer, children. Yes, difficult words it may give 10 or less than, more than 10. We will think next. How am I if I give also? You write down only. Then afterwards you go to write answer the following. Next first question, then answer you write A and S. It's good. You can identify which is question, which is answer. Sometimes you are not putting question mark also at the end. That is must. You should use question mark ending the question. Then in the question answer you should use full stop. Yes. First question and first answer. Next one line leave. It's looking very neat. Okay. In UKG classes how you written, I don't know, maybe like this only. Next you come to here. You don't skip this page. Many are doing that mistake only. They will write here. Suddenly they will turn and start to write this side. No, don't skip page, children. Next you start to here. After this, here. What I am sending like this notes only. What are the things you have to write? Okay. You don't make confusion. As what I given, that one only you should follow. Yes. Have you clear? Any doubt about this? About that? Both doubt? No. If you have any doubt, children, you can ask with me in WhatsApp groups. Before how you were sending, no? Ma'am, that one I not understood. Ma'am, what is this? Yeah, like this doubts. Yeah, I know you are having more doubts. You are small kids. If we say 100 times also, later you will get 1 or 2 doubts. It's okay. It should come down, then you can clear. Yes, you can ask anything about lesson in WhatsApp groups. We are going to make your class. I have already done that, you know. In that group only you can send the message. I will give the answer, children. Yes, then regarding notes, from Monday onwards we are going to start the lesson. After this lesson we are sending notes. Means one lesson full finished. After we are sending the notes. Yes. Have you clear? Yes. Okay. This is the 4-line notes. You bind it nicely and maintain it neatly, children. Because you are writing half and keeping somewhere, and when your small brother is there, means if we do something and we may do kite, no, there the pages and yeah. So you be careful of your notes. When you will come back to school, we are going to check your notes. Okay. Once again you check after writing. Once again check your spellings. Yes. Okay. This is clear, I think. Yeah. And this is also clear now. This all the relationships you know. Yeah, you may think what man is telling every time. Grandmother means we don't know. Grandfather means you know. Don't think like that. You should know how relationship will come you and them. That is important in the exam. Yes. In the exam what I will do? Yeah, here in the help box I am giving some names like grandma, grandpa, then cousin, brother, sister, aunt, mother, father. Here I am giving some pictures. How to match children? Otherwise in the down I am giving box. What to write? Yeah, grandpa. What to write? Uncle. What to write? Grandma. What to write? Aunt. Here, cousins. Yeah. Full knowledge if you have any picture also you can write without help box. Yes, spelling. Only spelling purpose you may see help box. But by seeing the picture in your mind it should come. What is grandma? Then where is grandpa? Everything should come. Have you cleared now? Yes. Next class we will discuss what are the duties parents and same way children. Thank you.